Cash Like Money. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money. Before we get into today's video, first of all, today was eventful day. We're not going to get into it, but can you see this? What lace where? Before we do that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam family. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So that's disgusting. Excuse the frick out of me. So you can stay linked into my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? Alright guys, so in today's vlog, I am taking a makeup class with Mua Nessa. She is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Like me, I actually took her class back in May of 2020. This is some old content, but I'm just trying to get it pushed out. This is my best friend, Jenna. She volunteered to be my model for this makeup class. So basically, Nessa is just running me through the basics of makeup. I do have a background in makeup. I've worked for MAC, Sephora, and Ulta, but Nessa has a different style of doing makeup, and I wanted to learn her specific style of makeup, so that's why I went ahead and took her class. When I tell you guys, Nessa is such a good trainer. Like, she breaks it down so you really understand it. And I have been doing makeup in the past, probably on and off for about 8 years, but her techniques were so different from what I saw on like YouTube and any other girl doing, and it actually improved my own makeup game just by taking this class. So if you are in the Milwaukee area, I highly do recommend taking her one-on-ones. They're very affordable, honestly, for her skill set and for her like popularity. She's really affordable, so I do recommend, if you're interested in taking a makeup class, to take it with Nessa. Another thing I liked about Nessa's class is that she gives you affordable products to start your makeup kit. A lot of other classes that I have taken, like online or just watched more like celebrity makeup artists, they will recommend very expensive products to start out your makeup kit, and Nessa gives you affordable products to start your kit. And I think that's very important, especially if you're a beginner makeup artist, to have affordable products as well. So that's a plus too. So Nessa pretty much taught me how to do a full face of makeup, and she also taught me how to do a cut crease, which is something that I have struggled with for a very long time. Her placement of all the products was a little bit different from what I was used to doing too, so she kind of educated me on the correct placement. Even with my own makeup, I was placing my contour a little bit too low, and my highlight was a little bit too I guess like drastic or dramatic, and she taught me the right placements for each of those products, so it really came in handy. And then brushes. I really like how Nessa gives you affordable brushes to use. Not only affordable brushes, but she gives you the right brushes and the right tools for each product, so your application comes out seamless, and so you don't have to do as much work because the tool is doing most of the work for you. That was like a major key for me. Even when I worked at MAC, they never taught me this. One of my trainers at MAC was Joe, and he would do this on his own, but it wasn't like a MAC policy. But Nessa taught me how to measure and to cut the lashes. I haven't seen even like
senior artists at MAC do this. So that was really important too, because not every client's eye shape might be the exact same, or the lashes might be too long for your client, so you customize them to fit their eye shape. So that was really important. So then at the end, Nessa also taught me how to market and how to properly take pictures. I think this one was very helpful because I know how to market with lashing, but I didn't necessarily know how to market with makeup, and no one ever taught me how to. So I was very thankful that Nessa was comfortable with sharing that information with me as well. And here is the final results of my makeup class.
You gave what needed to be given. You gave what needed to be given. Trust me, you did it. So yeah, I really loved that. I don't have anything else to say except for thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Period poo. Follow me on Instagram and on my socials. They will be right here. My TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook. I'm most active on them here. I also have a Pinterest too if you want to follow me on there. I'll put it in the description box down below. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.